Whether you're preparing for labor or already postpartum, doulas are known to make the difference, not only as health and birthing advocates, but support for new parents. At GBMC, their role is especially regarded. Here with me now is Lanny Dowell, the Parent Education and Doula Coordinator there, I should say, rather, not here, not at the station. Welcome.
Hi, thank you very much.
Yes, of course. Glad to have you here. For people who don't know about doulas, what are they exactly?
So doulas are women that can be hired for labor and delivery to be there as patient advocates from the time you go into labor until the time you have the baby, and afterwards for feeding support.
And so people will hire a doula to sort of work as an advocate liaison to speak about their wishes during the birthing process to medical personnel?
Guide and educate them through the process more than anything. I mean, they've hired an excellent care practitioner, and for our program, it really is a way to enhance your birth experience.
And at GBMC, you're unique too, because it's not just during the birth experience, it also continues postpartum, correct?
Yes, correct.
How so?
We actually go to the home after they've had the baby, and we can do daytime support, overnight support, and we work with whether it's breastfeeding, bottle feeding, infant care, sibling care, meal preparation, everything we can do to run the household while a family recovers.
And I know that doulas are really relied upon, not just by the family, but the staff at GBMC. Can you talk about that a little bit, too?
Absolutely. The nurses love it when there's a doula in the room. They know that the patient is going to be well cared for. There's always going to be wonderful communication from the room to the team at all times. So it really helps to segue the connection between the medical staff and the patient.
And you've got new programs there. So talk about these programs and also your role specifically at GBMC.
So my role specifically, I run the Parent Education and Doula program. We have a wonderful boutique that has lactation support, nursing bras, etc. It's a wonderful store. Our new programs that are coming to the table are our early C-section discharge. So for families that would like to be discharged after a 2-night stay, discharged on day 3, we send a nurse home from Hopkins Home Health Care to do the stable removal, a full assessment with mom and baby, and then we gift them 4 hours of postpartum doula care to work with feeding, infant care, any questions they have.
And I think people don't understand how important that is.
Oh,
I remember I had to have a C-section with my daughter, and I was in the hospital way longer than I thought I would be. So this is, I mean, it's a wonderful option for mothers who want to get back home and just start relaxing. You've got so much.
Home. They want to recover in their own home. They have pets, they have family, they have a comfortable bed. They want to be there, especially with flu season right around the corner.
Exactly.
You don't want to be where you don't have to be longer than you need to be.
So you've got this program to help make that possible.
Yes, it's fantastic.
That's great. And then there's another one too for
So
parenting.
it's Positive Parenting and Darkness to Light. Positive Parenting is a wonderful class on communicating between partners on early discipline, communication, appropriate terminology for anatomy, everything from the time the baby's born through the time where you really have to start talking about discipline and electronics and everything else.
So you can be on the same page.
You can be on the same page, and then that segues into the Bo Biden Darkness to Light program, which is geared towards the prevention of sexual abuse of young children.
Wow, so you really do take the families from pregnancy all the way up
all
through
the way
parenting.
through, all the way through.
That's amazing. Okay, so for people reading this right now or listening right now, and they want to get some more information, they can go to your website or make
They can go to the www.gbmc.org, and they can just type in Parent Education or Doula, and it will pop up. So they can link directly to us through that.
Wonderful. Yeah. Thank you so much for being here,
very much.
Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
And when we come back, Howard County Smiles is back, so stay tuned.